Daddy,
and
Kittens! Today we will learn about traffic signs. Let's go! Green means go. Red means stop. This is police station. Zebra crossing. Here you can pass the road. You cannot stop. You can park here. You only can turn right.
today we will make a city. Are you ready?
Go!
Go! We have roads. What do we need now? Buildings. Buildings. Ah, very good. Buildings we put it here. Yeah, many buildings. Yes. We need trees. We need bushes. And we need signs. Traffic signs. Oh, we have many traffic signs.
Sponsored by IQ English.